Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JEE Main examination. This question came on 1st September 2021 and this question came on second shift. So let us see this question first. Question says, an average translation kinetic energy of N2 gas, nitrogen gas molecules at certain temperature that you need to find out becomes equal to the kinetic energy of an electron accelerated through a potential difference of 0.1 volt. And the Boltzmann constant Kb value is also given to you. So we already know that the average translational kinetic energy of a gas is already given by 3/2 kT. So you can easily visualize it as 3/2 kBT is a average translational kinetic energy of this gas molecules. Okay, so it is equivalent to the kinetic energy gained by an electron if it is acted upon by potential difference of 0.1 volts. So that means we already know that the kinetic energy gained by this electron must be equal to Q into the potential difference. Okay, because the potential difference is nothing but work done per unit charge. Okay, and work would be done in order to increase its kinetic energy. So this work done has to be there in the form of its increase in its kinetic energy. So this is nothing but K by Q. So you can easily write it as kinetic energy is Q into V. So this must be equal to Q into V. Okay, the temperature that you need to find out, rest everything is given to you. So we'll put the value of Kb, which is 1.38 into 10 raised to power minus 23 is equal to Q. Q is the charge of on electron, which is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb, and it has been subjected to a potential difference of 0.1 volt. So we'll write it this also. Okay, then we'll multiply it with T. Okay, that you need to find out. So this T can easily be calculated by using this relation and expression, and finally it will come out to be, so this temperature would come out to be 723 Kelvin. Okay, after solving these expressions, but the answer is already given in degree centigrade, so you have to convert it into degree centigrade. In degree centigrade, this temperature would be equivalent to 723 Kelvin. 723 minus 273, which is 500 degrees centigrade. So eventually you'll get this answer, and the answer would be 500 degrees centigrades. If it is in Kelvin, you can easily write it as 723 Kelvin. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.